Aim for the job. Don't just pray and pray. So what I mean to say is a lot. If you don't exactly target your job, you won't get it. Don't just pray and pray. Pray and pray is all about I'll upload my resume to Indeed. I'll upload it to Monster. I'll upload it to Times Jobs and all these places, and then I'll just keep on praying to God, saying that let me get. Can I get some interview call? It doesn't happen this way. You need to specifically target the list of companies. Now I'll show you exactly those particular steps. And I know since last 2 weeks, you all have been asking that can you show me something in a step-by-step manner. So this particular video, it's a small video. I'll do an in-depth version of this particular video as a part of a course that I'm working for. But still, this will give you a lot of overview about this. Let me just share you my screen. So here, what you will see is the sheet that I've created. I'll share you the link. I'll share you the link of the sheet, but this will give you an overview. So here is the list of companies. Now you need to ensure it need not be just 3 4 companies. For time's sake, I have created 6 companies. Technically, if you are going for a job search, your list needs to have a minimum of 50 to 60 companies. I suggest a minimum of 60 companies because without this list, this is your target list. Now, once this is our list, now what I'll do is I'll list the name of the company G Healthcare. So I want to join a medical devices company, and I have a previous experience coming from say PR, working to some extent into devices company like Zimmer and all or Johnson and Johnson. Now I have an experience which is digital. I have PR experience. I have head of marketing experience. So the next particular position that I'm looking to explore as a part of my learning and growth opportunities is some company into medical devices. So these are the couple of companies that I was able to find out. And then what I do is I'll go from here, I'll go to LinkedIn now. Okay, you have seen the list of companies. I'll go to LinkedIn, and on LinkedIn, I'll share for the name of the that particular company. So and I'll search for India because I'm searching specifically for jobs in India. So G Healthcare India, I have their profile over here, company profile. I'll click follow, then I'll click a bell icon, all new posts. Now this thing will let me know whenever there's any posting over here. So in the post section, whenever there's any post published by G Healthcare India, I'll get an update. So I know I what the company is into or what the new developments are being. Why I am asking you to do this is most of the company posts, 99% of the company posts are liked and commented by existing set of employees. This is the best opportunity. If you comment on that particular post, all the employees will notice you, not just the employees, because LinkedIn KPI is more with the HR than with the social media team. So most probably the HR people and the recruiters will definitely see, especially when it comes to something like care and advancement. So this particular thing or employee related. So this is an employee related post. These are created by HR. Now you will have all the list. A lot of people talking about say business manager, MP and CG, G Healthcare, senior toxicologist, Medtronic, G Healthcare lead manufacturing engineer. So all these people are senior people who are working in GE Healthcare. What I'll need to do is I'll need to comment over here. Industries towards accessible healthcare are commendable amidst challenges. Embracing localization is a step. So your insight on self-reliance in healthcare is crucial for bridging gaps and securing future. Once this post hits, all those 279 people will get an notification in the notifications tab that Moses Gomes has commented over here. This is how you slowly build up. For next 30 days, you need to keep a dedication that every day you need to go on the company page, comment, give a quality comment on a certain post. If you want to know which AI tool I'm using over here, you need to go to the video which talks about a Merlin tool that I've created. You will get an AI tool which will help you to give quality comments and will save a lot of time basically. So G healthcare again. Now what happens is, once I have done this, then I'll go and see who all are the followers of this page. So cancel, and I'll see, come over here. So these are the connections following LinkedIn in the G healthcare India, and these are connected to me. This set of people are connected to me. Now I want to say about home G healthcare. These are all the posts that we have. About section, not much over here to learn about. Then we have posts. They don't update the job section over here, so it's very difficult to make out. Let's go to another company. So in our list, the second company is Integra Life Sciences. Let's go to Integra Life Sciences and see. So this is, let's go for India. If at all they have something in India. So Singapore is the closest. Current company marketing concern Integra Life Sciences. Companies. No, there's Integra Life Sciences doesn't have. So we'll go to SMT, 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 Sarja, Sargent. So Sargent is an Indian medtech company and it's quite huge. So we'll go to, okay, 19,000 followers they have, and they have posts, they have people tab also, jobs tabs. So whenever any company has a people tab, it makes your work a lot easy. Now what I do over here is I'll try to see who is who is in, so say Mumbai. So I'll come to know who all are based out of Mumbai in this particular company. Then I say position, I want somebody in marketing over here. So marketing, these are the people: Dr. Yuvraj Patel, marketing TAVR, Kunda Subramaniam, and Anup. So let's go on Kunda Subra Hazra. She is based out of Mumbai, Associate Vice President Marketing, Interventional Cardiology is the division. Ex Smith and nephew, ex Lumens. So practically, she has been in the medtech industry, and there are a lot of people who are connected. Her last post was 2 months back. Now the thing is, she is not a regular person who will post over here. So let us try to find out who are the other people. So Senior Vice President HR, is he active over here on LinkedIn? So 3 weeks back. So he's a bit active, but he keeps on posting some content here and there. So what we do is, as a second step, is we start building connection with him, and we want him to get notified. So we add this particular URL of Russell Rosario to our Excel sheet along with the company details. Now we will have to search for somebody, a very senior person and who's very active on LinkedIn. So just let's go to the company page again, SMT, and let's see what all posts they have. So we have people highlights 30 employees who studied marketing and 5 connections. So 5 connection is very important for us. So there's Tejaswini Kamal, strategy corporate communication leader, Anil Suri, global marketing head. Okay. Vinay Jumani, Pavan Shirodkar. Then we have Suralika Dhar, sales executive, marketing Yuvraj. I'm not connected to. I think we are connected to Rajiv. So now we'll have to use Rajiv to build our network. So he's Vice President, Sergeant, Medical Technologies. Now the best part is, now that we are connected to Rajiv Chibber, we need to get him to introduce ourselves to the market, to the head, to the HR department. And before we do this, we need to first comment on all his posts for next 10 to 20 days, so he starts becoming aware about us. Although he knows that both of us are connected, but when I start commenting, he will start noticing me. Now the thing is, the next step is we need to go and see uh, recruitment, RACURITMNT, whether we have anything in recruitment over here. So over here, Vinay Jumani, Supriya, Russell Rosario, Alisha Sorathia, Sandhya Pardi. So these are the people who work in recruitment over here. Let's see whether there are any opportunities for us. There are no opportunities. We'll create an alert over here. So job title I'll put location and I'll create an alert. So whenever they put something which is related to what I'm looking for, I'll automatically get an alert. And once I get alert, I will use my referrals from Dr. Rajiv Chibar to the head of HR to get me referred for that particular position. This is exactly how you need to do. You don't need to spray and pray, and this is what you need to do for each and every target over here. The problem is not everybody thinks in that fashion. So you have GE Healthcare company page, recruiter or HR, LinkedIn profile, head of APAC marketing, LinkedIn your status, LinkedIn in. So status on LinkedIn last 30 days. Now this is very important. If that person is active, we can help build our relationship. If that person is not active, it's very difficult, because even if you send a connection request, that person might not okay or approve your connection request. So the person needs to be very active, so they will open their LinkedIn message and they will communicate. I hope this will help you a lot and you won't get stuck up with your LinkedIn journey. So keep one thing in mind, almost 90 to 95% job seekers will just spray and pray. You don't spray and pray, you do a target. Just start targeting 50 companies. I guarantee next 60 days you will get at least 20 interview calls. Now the next part is, once you get a call, it all depends upon how well you are able to deliver that interview. That we will cover after next week, about how do you answer those particular interview questions and how do you tackle the interviews. I hope my video and step-by-step process about how do you target the companies is helpful for you. Bye.